Hey Alexandra, can you give us a how-to on designing security system?
Sure, happy to. Hi, I'm Alexandra, Vice President here at Alarm New England. My family's been in this business for 45 years, so we have a little bit of experience in how to design a security system. And if you don't have a monster guard dog like Luca here, who's our office mascot, you definitely need a security system. So here's 101 on how to get one designed up. Most security companies will design a security system by contacting all of the doors. You definitely want to contact on every door that leads into your house from the outside. Then you have two options. You could also contact all of the windows, which the benefit of that is that you're able to turn the system on and move around freely in the house without setting it off. So if you have like an elderly parent, or you have a dog that's over 80 pounds, or you have kids that sneak down the stairs in the middle of the night, you don't want lots of false alarms and scaring the bejesus out of everybody, then doing your doors and your windows is the way to go. The downside of it is it can be a little bit expensive because every single window, there can be a lot of ground floor windows. But also, if somebody were to smash through a slider or one of those windows and climb in instead of opening it, it wouldn't set off the system. So even if you go that route, you probably want to have some glass break detectors near sliders or something like that that will sense the frequency of shattering glass if there's a rock thrown through it. The alternative to doing all the windows is motion detectors. So if you have small pets and kids that stay in their room and it's really not a problem, you can cover a lot of the house with motion detectors because, well, there's one right over there that you can see. They go out from the wall like a flashlight beam, and they shoot out 40 feet, and they're 56 feet across. And so if you have a big open floor plan main floor, you can cover your kitchen, dining room, and living room, family room with two motion detectors. It's super cost effective. And how those work is if somebody comes in through a window or breaks through a slider, they will step in front of that and set off the alarm. In addition to that, you want to consider if you'd like fire protection. So yes, you have smoke detectors at your house right now, but when those go off, nothing's happening. You're relying on your neighbors to call the fire department, which they're not going to do. So, I mean, they might, hopefully they would. But anyways, you can add wireless smoke detectors to your security system. And so that way the central station monitoring it will call the fire department and get you the fastest possible that response time. Same thing for carbon monoxide detectors. The other things we usually ask people about is if they want a flood sensor or a low temperature sensor, if it's a second home. That's really important to people when they're not there in the wintertime to know if their pipes are going to freeze or if their dishwasher has been flooding and is going to flood the whole kitchen. So from there you can get into the whole smart home and video side of things, but as far as basic security, door contacts, motion detectors, window contacts, fire monitoring, and then some environmental sensors. Thanks.